Here at Prestige, the custodial position is essentially Prestige Maintenance USA. That is who we are for our customers. At the beginning of and end of every shift, the custodian is who delivers the product that we provide to our clients.
One of the most essential positions here at Prestige is the custodian position. They go above and beyond at the stores. They maintain our stores and the facilities clean and safe. And we just think that it's only that part, but it goes more, they do more than that. It allows the customer to show their facilities and their stores, and we want the customer always to be happy and be very proud of the people who clean for them.
Hello, my name is Samuel Salazar. I'm a custodian for Prestige Maintenance USA. If you're looking for a great place to work, I'd recommend Prestige USA. Great place to start, great place to learn, to gain experience, and to really get to know what you're doing. This company is a very good place to learn and grow.
As a custodian at Prestige Maintenance, it's a great place for you to begin your journey, and we provide a career path so that you could go from being a custodian to a facility supervisor, eventually potentially an area manager, or into field management in any capacity. If you want to get started in the facility maintenance janitorial field, this is a great place for you to consider beginning your journey. Look us up, apply. We'd love to have you on board as a custodian at Prestige Maintenance USA.